Setup upgrades, part 1. Cable management. We're going to use products that are inexpensive, easy to find on Amazon, and won't break the bank. First product we're using is cable clips. Then we're going to use these reusable ties. Then we got this wire loom to conceal some wires. This is a 10-foot DisplayPort cable that I needed to be able to route properly. And the last product is this cable raceway that I needed to be able to route the cables beneath the desk. All done. So what's next? I do want to mount a third monitor. I do want to add some lighting around the room. And for sure I need to get rid of this keyboard, so if you want to find out, follow for part 2.